The next one is a new item I got this year. It's called Rodeo West. It's also a 25 shot. It's kind of like a cosmic creature. I don't believe there's a finale to it. I think it's pretty much straight 25 shot, but it's a pretty big bang for a cake. I think this was a new product out maybe last year or 2 years ago. I believe I got it for about $11. Definitely want to see what it does. I was able to find a video to a link on this one. I'll post it for this one as well. It should be actually beneath it right now. Rodeo West, 200 gram take.
You gotta start grabbing some more cake, dude.